Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on WhatsApp. Now, first to get this done, let's go ahead and open Chrome right here. And we're going to go ahead and click this one and then click the drive. So basically what we're trying to do is upload that particular file into here. Now I have this file right here. And as you can see, this is like 800 MB. So that's quite heavy. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it here to Google Drive. If you have folder, you can put this in this particular or any particular folder you have already existed here. All right, there you go. So file has been uploaded. And I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. Right click or click this three dots, share, and then share plus. We're going to change this one to anyone with the link so that they can access this one. Go ahead and copy the link, click done, and then head over back to WhatsApp. From here, you can go ahead and paste the link with this. And there you go. So sample MP4 or sample file.mp4 has now been sent. And then they can go ahead and click the link here and then they'll be redirected to that particular file. And that's how you're going to send large files on WhatsApp.